G'day mates, it's Thomas Murphy Cosplay here, and today, or this afternoon, because it's like about 6 PM actually, this is just something that I've been very curious of, and it is, can I bend a frying pan? I've seen a lot of strong men that do that, like, I've seen Eddie Hall, twist an entire frying pan. Seen Khan Baba, the world's strongest man. I don't like Khan Baba really. He's funny anyway, but I believe that he's fake. But I know that Eddie Hall is real, in my opinion. But I'm gonna see if I could. Oh, here's sushi. This is. Sorry, I got my cat with me. Anyways, don't worry. He's fine. He's safe. Anyways. We got this frying pan, and this is just a curiosity of, can I bend this? Look, it may work, it may not, but I'll see how I go, really. I do doubt that I would be able to do it, but let's go. 3, 2, 1. Oh. If I could just. Wait a minute. Woo! Let's try it on this way. I could actually use it as a shield. Holy crap, I can. Let's try this way again. Well, I destroyed a frying pan. Well, sort of did, but yep. Anyways. Anyways, thanks anyway. Bye.